Morning everybody. I'm actually on site today and I'm on my way to Tom's flat, and we're going to find out in this video if two gas engineers can actually install a bathroom. Well, technically it's an ensuite, but that's a tiny little technicality. Anyway, let's get on with it and get over to Tom's flat and see if one, he's actually ripped it out, the old one, so we can just crack on and get started, and two, see if two gas engineers can actually install a bathroom. So as you can see, this is the ensuite we're going to be working in, and also as you can see, Tom has spent a bit of time ripping it all out before I got here. Now once Tom's ripped this ensuite out, you can see this waste pipe here at the back, which is a bit of a concern for us. Now this waste pipe is actually feeding the shower from the flat from next door, and it goes into Tom's soil stack. So we can't do anything with that one. We've got to leave it in place. Another problem we've got, which we can't do much about, is that's next door. You can see through where the old shower was. So there's literally just two pieces of plasterboard between us and next door. Now the plan is to leave this pipework where it is, but obviously you can see the plasterboard's pretty rotten, so that's going to need to be replaced. And we are going to build a stud wall in front of this pipework, so this will be hidden in the stud wall, and the stud wall will be made to fit the shower tray. Now, as well as removing this plasterboard and replacing it here, I've got a hole to fill in over there. Now let's get over to B&Q. And I guess I'm paying. Yup. Now back from B&Q with the plasterboard. So I've dot and dabbed the plasterboard on the wall here, and I've repaired the hole over there. Now that's the end of day one. Let's have a look and see what we've done. Now you can see we've made a platform for the shower tray to go onto, and we've started now to stud out the wall. Tom's already started fitting the shower. It's going to have a shower with a head coming out the top there, and you can see the Durgo valve on the soil stack is inside the wall, which is going to need to be vented so we can actually get it to work. And I need to get out of here before he asks me to do something else. So this is what we've got up to on day two. So you can see we've done all the plasterboarding, and we built a little niche into the wall so Tom can put his shower gel and his soap in there. And we have also run these electric cables for the light inside his mirror and the light inside his niche. So we're ready now for in the morning for installing the toilet and wash basin temporary, and we can start tiling. So I turned up this morning and Tom didn't like the size of the old niche, so we've had to remove everything we did. So that's take all the plasterboard off, alter all the wood inside, move all the pipework, and make his niche a lot bigger. So we've pretty much wasted most of the morning, but now we've got all the toilet and wash basin in and his niche finished the way he wants it. We are now ready for tiling. Now we've finished most of the tiling now, so we've got all inside the shower cubicle done. This wall here, we've nearly done it all, we just got the top part to do, and we've got the back wall to finish, so still quite a bit to do. So who came up with the idea of grouting with black? Tommy. The biggest problem with black grout is when you come to get it wiped off. You spend hours and hours just trying to get rid of it, and all your sponges and stuff afterwards just end up getting thrown away. So don't go for black grout. So now we've got all the grouting done. So you can see we've put the shower in now. Still a little bit to do in the niche, especially with the light. And we've run out of tiles for inside the niche itself. So we've got all the siliconing to do as well. But we've finally got rid of all that black grout. Starting to grow on me. So just a bit of cleaning up to do. So all electrics are done. Mirror works. We've got to move that. That's the ventilation. But the screen's finished. It's a bit tight coming down the gap here. Well, that's what he wanted. So tiles still need grouting at the back there, and the light still needs putting in. Shower's in, all done. All finished. Toilet's all done. So just a few little things to do. We need to get some kind of plastic across the bottom there, and then that'll be done. So that's our efforts at doing an ensuite. Well, that turned out better than I thought it was going to do. I'm sure if you think it's rubbish, you'll put it in the comments section down below. Anyway, that black grout. Well, I advise anybody to have black grout. But there's just a few little niggly things to do and then it's done. So I hope you've liked the video and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.